Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. I am Saloni Goyal and we'll be discussing another chapter of class 11th today, and that is Birth by A.J. Cronin. Birth is a chapter that discusses the fact that a doctor need not only utilize his textbook knowledge, but he is somebody who also has to understand the feeling of intuition. Yes, this is a chapter, Birth, that discusses the moral dilemma that a young doctor faces when he is met with a very serious situation. Andrew Manson, a young doctor, he has just finished his examination of medical and he has just become a doctor. He is returning home at midnight. He has had a very rough evening because of a fight with his girlfriend, Christine. Before he could go inside his home, he is met with a man called Joe Morgan. Joe Morgan is a man who is standing right outside the house of Andrew Manson. Joe Morgan says that his wife is in a very serious condition. She is about to deliver a baby, but he needs the support of a doctor. Although it is very late at night, it is almost midnight, yet Andrew Manson agrees to accompany Joe Morgan to help his wife, Susan Morgan. When eventually Joe Morgan and Andrew Manson reach their house, he sees that, Andrew sees that the wife of Joe Morgan, Susan, is in a really bad shape. She is not doing good. She is in a lot of pain. Andrew Manson, even though he is going through his own personal problems, yet he decides that he has to put all his personal problems aside, and right now he needs to help Susan. Eventually, after that, he asked Joe Morgan to wait outside. Till then, before the arrival of Andrew Manson and Joe Morgan, Susan was attended by a midwife. The midwife was not able to tackle the situation because the situation was very serious, and it was very difficult for Joe and for Susan to undergo that lot of pain. So Joe approaches Andrew Manson to help them at this point of time. Eventually, when Andrew Manson, he examines the body and he sees that Susan is in a really bad shape, he decides to operate on her. Undergoing the process of operation, he knows that it's not going to be an easy journey. In fact, it's going to be a very hard delivery, a delivery that will be accompanied by a lot of emotions, pain and sentiments. The midwife is also very confused at this point of time. She does not know how young Andrew will be able to tackle such a complicated case. But Andrew, he has a willpower and he wants to do something for Susan Morgan, and so he starts operating on her. Meanwhile, when Andrew Manson, he's examining the body of Susan, at the same time there are a lot of complicated issues that are going inside his mind. In the evening, Christine, his girlfriend, wants a committed relationship from Andrew. But Andrew, though he loves Christine, he's always afraid of committing to a relationship. Andrew, because of the past experiences and because of the stories that he has heard from his colleagues, he believes that a relationship does not work. Sometimes a wife is too naggy, sometimes a wife is too demanding. So at this point of time, Andrew does not want to commit to a relationship. Yes, he loves Christine, but he does not want to marry her. While operating on Susan, these are the thoughts that have enveloped the mind of young Andrew. Eventually, after some time, Susan Morgan is able to deliver a baby. When the midwife holds the baby in her hand, she realizes that the baby is breathless. He is not breathing, he is still. That was an alarming situation for both Andrew and the midwife. The midwife is really surprised. She is numb. She does not know what to do. At this point of time, Andrew is faced with two situations. Either he can help the mother or he can help the child. And at this point, he believes that the mother is the priority. So he keeps aside the baby and Andrew starts working on the mother. Eventually, after certain trials and attempts, the mother is able to come back into consciousness. But now the baby is still. The midwife had placed the baby under the bed. She was very numb. She was very surprised. She does not know what to do with a baby that was born still. Andrew does not lose his hope at this point of time. Andrew, according to the bookish knowledge, he cannot do anything to help the baby. The baby is stillborn. Yet Andrew believes that his intuition is also coming into force. He needs to help the baby. He puts the baby on the bed. He knows that baby has suffocated. He has suffocated because there is lack of oxygen in his blood and there is more of carbon dioxide. So Andrew makes a lot of attempts to revive the body of the still baby. After a lot of trials, towels, water, pumping the baby, eventually the baby is able to come back into life. That was a beautiful moment for Andrew. Midwife had lost hope. There was, according to the medical bookish knowledge, there was no hope for the baby. But Andrew still had hope. He knew that book knowledge is one thing, while at the same time a person needs to work according to his intuition, according to his intuitive feeling. And that was something that has helped Andrew, and he was able to revive the baby back into his senses. His first case that was so complicated, saving a mother and the baby, he was successful in doing both of that. The mother was healthy and the baby was healthy, and Andrew was successful. Eventually, Andrew goes outside and he informs Joe Morgan that the delivery was indeed successful and both his wife and his baby are healthy and doing good. Saving the baby and the mother gave a lot of happiness and satisfaction to Andrew. All the knowledge that he had gained till now was important in helping him deliver, but it was also his insight, also his intuitive feeling that helped him revive a baby that was still, that was not moving. At this point of time, Andrew could have lost his hope. Like the other normal doctors, he could have said that no, there are no chances of the baby to survive. Yet he does not lose hope. The feeling of satisfaction and the happiness that one achieves after this task gives an immense pleasure and happiness to young Andrew. So in the chapter Birth, you need to focus on the character of Andrew Manson, a young doctor who has to deliver a baby in a very complicated case, is also undergoing a lot of personal problems. Personal problems owing to his girlfriend Christine, who wants a committed relationship, which Andrew is hesitant to give. Next, you have to focus on the character of Joe Morgan, whose wife is, she's in a labor pain, and he wants the support and help of Andrew in helping deliver the baby. Next, the midwife. She was the person who was supposed to help Andrew, but she gets so nervous. She believes that the baby will not survive. She becomes anxious. Yet it is young Andrew and his undying spirit that helped in reviving the stillborn baby. Next, you also have to focus on the fact that this chapter tells us an important fact that one should not always go by the books. One should have his own intuitive feeling and his innermost knowledge. This is it for today. Thank you. Birth is a chapter that helps you focus on the fact that it is not only the factual knowledge but also the practical knowledge that matters in life. Thank you so much.